Understanding the water cycle. The water cycle is a continuous process that describes how water moves through the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land. Clouds play a crucial role in this cycle by facilitating the movement and transformation of water from one phase to another. Their involvement is essential for maintaining the balance of the Earth's water resources and supporting various weather patterns. Formation of clouds. Clouds form when water vapor in the air condenses into tiny droplets or ice crystals. This process begins when warm, moist air rises and cools in the atmosphere. As the air cools, it reaches its dew point, causing the water vapor to condense onto microscopic particles like dust or pollen, forming clouds. This process is a critical step in the water cycle as it marks the transition of water from the gaseous phase to the liquid or solid phase. Clouds and precipitation. Clouds are directly linked to precipitation, which is a key component of the water cycle. When cloud droplets or ice crystals combine and grow large enough, they fall to the earth as precipitation, including rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This precipitation replenishes water sources such as rivers, lakes, and groundwater, which are essential for supporting life on Earth. The role of clouds in evaporation. Clouds influence evaporation, the process by which water turns from a liquid into a vapor and enters the atmosphere. When clouds cover the sky, they can reduce the amount of solar radiation reaching the Earth's surface, thus slowing down the evaporation of water from oceans, lakes, and soil. This moderation helps maintain a balance in the water cycle and prevents excessive evaporation. Clouds and condensation. In addition to forming through condensation, clouds play a role in ongoing condensation processes within the atmosphere. As air rises and cools, it continually condenses to form new cloud droplets or ice crystals. This dynamic process ensures the constant movement of water in the atmosphere and supports various weather systems, including storm formation and rainfall. The impact of clouds on weather patterns. Clouds are a significant factor in weather patterns and climate. Different types of clouds can indicate various weather conditions, such as fair weather, thunderstorms, or overcast skies. For instance, cumulonimbus clouds are associated with severe weather, including thunderstorms and tornadoes, while cirrus clouds often signal fair weather or an approaching weather front. Clouds and temperature regulation. Clouds help regulate the Earth's temperature by reflecting sunlight and trapping heat. During the day, clouds can reflect incoming solar radiation, cooling the Earth's surface. At night, they act as insulators, trapping heat and preventing rapid cooling of the surface. This temperature regulation is vital for maintaining stable environmental conditions and supporting life. The role of clouds in water distribution. Clouds play a role in distributing water across the globe. They transport moisture from one region to another through atmospheric circulation. For example, clouds formed over the ocean can move inland and release precipitation in areas that may not otherwise receive sufficient rainfall. This distribution helps balance regional water supplies and supports diverse ecosystems. The influence of clouds on climate change. Clouds can influence climate change by affecting the Earth's energy balance. Changes in cloud cover can either enhance or mitigate the effects of global warming. For instance, an increase in low-altitude clouds can lead to cooling by reflecting more sunlight, while a rise in high-altitude clouds can trap more heat, contributing to warming. Conclusion. Clouds play a fundamental role in the water cycle by facilitating the processes of condensation, precipitation, and evaporation. They help regulate the Earth's temperature, influence weather patterns, and distribute water globally. Understanding the role of clouds in the water cycle is crucial for predicting weather, managing water resources, and addressing climate change.